finished MSc in physics and I joined QSpiders Chromepet to learn full stack Java developer. And I got placed in a company called Intellect Design Arena. I learned Java from Nandi sir. He is not currently working here, and I would like to thank him. I learned much more things from Karnika ma'am. I also like to thank her. And after that, I learned advanced Java concepts from Amit sir and did a small project under his guidance. And I would like to thank Amit sir also. Finally, I learned web development from Tamil sir. His way of teaching is easy to learn front end, and he taught us JavaScript in a clear way to understand JavaScript working and functionality. And I would like to thank Tamil sir. And I would like to extend my thanks to Kokila PM. She is working here as a HR. And thank you, QSpiders Group.